So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Image Playground on your Mac. Image Playground is a new feature that came with macOS 15.2 update. With this feature, you can generate images or art using Apple AI. So let's see how you can use Image Playground on your Mac. So first of all, you will have to install the latest macOS 15.2 update on your Mac. For this, click on this Apple icon and then click on System Settings. Click on General and then click on Software Update. Now install the latest update available. As you can see here, I already have macOS 15.2 on my Mac. So after you install the update, open Image Playground. For this, press Command plus Spacebar key on your keyboard. This will open Spotlight Search. Here search for Image Playground and press Return to open it. After this, you will see all the sessions here like Adventure, Party Hat, Hard Hat, Forest, Disco, Birthday, Baseball Cap, etc. You can use them to generate the images, or you can describe the image you want to generate. For this, click here and describe the image. For example, let's say vampire. Press Return key. Now this will generate the image. Click here to see variations. Click on Done. And this will save the image on the app. So this is how you can use Image Playground on Mac. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.